what's up, guys? We have a 2015 Peterbilt. We end up installing the alarm system with GPS tracker and the remote start. He wanted to do it from the phone, and it also comes with the remote control. But anyway, I'll show you how it works in the phone. When you hit lock, arms the alarms. Okay. Tells you the doors are locked. I'm gonna hit this arm. This arms the alarm. This is the voltage of the battery of the truck. This is the signal to remote start it. You're gonna hit this little guy here. Okay, I program it for diesel. It's gonna turn on the lights. You got a cool light here. Look how nice that truck is. Pretty nice, huh? Look at the light he has. It's pretty badass. Tells you the run time, how long the truck is going to be running for. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. So you guys can hear me. You can also shut it off. Otherwise, it would just run for 30 minutes. This is the temperature outside, 85 degrees. Yes, it's hot. We're in Miami. I'm going to hit this little guy here, and I'm going to punch it in here, and you're going to see the GPS. This is not where the truck is. This is at a warehouse where he left it to get something fixed on it. So I can show location. This is not where the truck is going to stay. Okay. And that's pretty much it. When the alarm fires off, he'll get the alert on his phone anywhere in the United States. And then as far as the remote control goes, he can do everything from the fob, arm it. Okay, it's got that blue light right there from the alarm. Okay, to disarm it. All right, and then you press this twice here, and that will remote start the truck again. I'll show you guys again since it has all these cool lights. We did not put these LED lights in. He did it. I don't do this. I know how to do it, but we just don't have time to do this type of work. But yeah, this is a nice idea. Man, whoever has a truck like this. So you folks that, if here in Miami, you want to start it just to get the diesel warmed up and the AC running, because it is hot in Miami. And I imagine that in all these states up north, it's freezing cold weather. So yeah, we get a lot of clients that they drive their trucks down to Miami and they pick up a load. If we don't have anybody in anybody's home state, if you want to get this type of work done, you need to bring the truck down to Miami, find a load. And then we can do the installation. It takes about an hour and a half for the install. We do Peterbilts, Freightliner, Kenwood, every make, Mack, whatever. Every year, it doesn't matter. The truck will start by remote control. You'll have GPS, and you also have the alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and forgot to show the alarm part. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. The alarm's gonna fire off. And then I'm going to open the door, show you guys that any door that you open up is going to trip the alarm. I'll show you guys another neat little feature this alarm has. All right, let's say you drive up somewhere for hours and you want to get off at a truck stop and get something to drink or whatever. You want to take the keys with you, but you want to leave the truck running because you probably have somebody inside the truck, or you have a dog that you don't want the AC to turn off, or whatever the reason, you want to leave the truck running. You press this little guy here. This is part of the antenna of the actual for the remote control to work. That has nothing to do with the GPS. The blue light's going to flash here when the alarm is armed. But it has a square little button here. You press it twice. Okay. And then you can remove the key. And the truck stays running for 30 minutes. That's a pit stop. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and shut off the remote start so you can see. So yeah, that's a nice little feature. We do that on cars too, by the way. The pit stop, and it works great. Whenever I need to pick up my mail, I need the keys because my mailbox has a lock on it. So, you know, you can just hit the button twice and get off the car or whatever. So yeah, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We're in Miami. If you're interested, you give us a call. We'll set up a time and a date that you're going to come down. We're very flexible, and the installation takes about an hour and a half, and we'll get it done for you. This unit works the whole United States, Canada, and Puerto Rico as far as the GPS and alarm alert is concerned. Thank you for watching this video.